Good afternoon. Today we are going to start with basic proportionality theorem BPT. It is one of the most important theorem of this chapter. Before starting this theorem, I suppose you people have already done problems of exercise 1.1 remaining problems. If you are having any difficulty, let me know so that I can able to solve it. Now we will start with basic proportionality theorem. The theorem states that if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the side in the same proportion. That means if we are having a triangle, ABC, and if we are having a line which is parallel to one of the sides, line L parallel to BC, intersect AB point, AB line at point P and AC line at point Q, then BPT theorem states that this line divides the sides in the same proportion. That means it states that AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is what we need to prove. That means this upon this is equal to this upon this, when this line is parallel to one of the side BC. So let's start solving this problem. So let we have a triangle ABC. Let triangle ABC with line L parallel to BC intersect at P and Q, 2 points. Now to start solving this problem, we need to construct few things. We need to draw this BQ and PC. So what is construction? Draw PC and BQ. These two lines we need to draw. Now in triangle APQ, this triangle APQ and triangle PQB, APQ and PQB, these two triangles have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. This is equation 1. Similarly, in triangle APQ and triangle QPC, these two triangles again have equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle QPC is equal to AQ upon QC. This is equation 2. Why have these two triangles have same height? Now what we will do, we need to prove that triangle PQB is similar to triangle QPC. How we can state that these two triangles are similar? So what we will do, as PQ is parallel to BC given, right? So what is that? PQ is parallel to BC and these two triangles are formed within the same parallel lines Hence, these triangles have same heights. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle, what is that? QPC, because these two triangles are formed with the same height and same base. The base is PQ and both the triangles have same height. So same height and same base, it is very important. I will underline this. You should do it. Now what we will do, this is equation 3. So what we can say from equation 1, 2 and 3. What equation 1 says? Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is AP upon BC. Similarly, area of triangle APQ upon triangle QPC is AQ upon BC. But PQB, this is similar to PQC. When both they having the same denominator, we can say AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is what we need, is the basic proportionality theorem of BPT. So this is the first part. What is the converse of this? The converse of this is, if the sides are in this proportion, then we can say the line joining them is parallel to the remaining side. It is opposite or it is converse. Here what we have done, they have said that if line is parallel, then it divides in this proportion. Now converse, if it is in this proportion, it divides the line, it is parallel to the remaining side. So the next part we are going to do in the next session. I want that everyone should take the notes of this, write it in a clear way, and if you are having any difficulty, let me know. Thank you.